God damn it, I was on time-lapse talking the whole time. Hopefully this video didn't go to waste. Fuck. Wow, I was recording time-lapse the whole time, so now I gotta restart this video. But anyways, like I was, okay, so I was saying that you guys saw the previous clips, the car officially, the motor went out, it got Rodknocked, unfortunately. So I'm taking out the motor, we're gonna strip it down, making sure it's salvageable to rebuild. We're gonna rebuild it for boost, so it can take boost better. So the reasons that it got Rodknocked was not due to the fact that it was boosted or because it has no oil. It has oil. We had fine-tuned the boost pretty good so it can handle so it can run without there being any issues within the ECU. So what happened was, I'm gonna show this clip right now in a second. As I was taking this corner, the oil pump, I guess in the S2000s, the oil tends to move around a lot within the oil pan. So the oil pump had starvation in it. It caused starvation within the oil pump and then the oil in the engine, so it wasn't sucking up oil sufficiently needed. So then hence why it got Rodknock and why it lost, I don't know. I just explained it, so I'm explaining it as quick as possible right now. So yeah, so taking that corner, caused the oil pump not to get some oil, and so it caused oil starvation. And then bada bing bada boom, started knocking. So as you can see, even before that, I wasn't really I was just did twice, but before that I wasn't really going. And so yeah, hence Rodknock. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing out of here and just start the rebuild. But well, I'm still thinking if I should rebuild for boost or if I should just rebuild to rebuild. I am getting tired of these constant issues with the turbo. There are overheating issues. There's not overheating as the overheating engine, but like overheating like you got this right here that's just from heat melted. I got some wires over here that melted from heat. So there is stuff here and there that's just being affected by so much heat that, look, this thing, it's like I can rip this. So it's just a lot of problems with the heat. So I'm definitely gonna expand my options just to go NA or go forced induction. We will see. But definitely gonna take this motor out. And while this is motor out, we're gonna go ahead and we're probably gonna repaint this whole car. We're probably gonna have a full color change from the engine bay to all the way to the outside hinges and everything. So yeah, but we're gonna also do a wire tuck. All this, I'm gonna have this tuck cleaned. I'm not gonna shave anything. I'm just gonna leave it as it is, but I'm gonna make everything look as formal as possible as I can, and a little nicer. And but as far as that goes, yes, unfortunately the S2000 did get Rodknock. But yeah, so in the meantime, I got that bad boy over there. He's sitting over there, as you guys saw, the Subi. For that one, like I said, that one's literally gonna be okay. So we might do slight modifications to that, but for the most part, it's gonna be my daily. Just because this was my daily for a while, you know, with it being like this, but without the turbo, it wasn't really much of a daily. And here in California, with all the laws and all that shit, it's not no bueno, you know, no good. You get pulled over so much, so often, you know, it's not the thing, you know, getting ticketed, getting all this and that. It's a hassle. So this will probably be more of a track car. I do plan on taking it as a track, maybe mountains here and there. Definitely not car shows. I've gone to car shows and I've come to hate them just because it can be cool with buddies and everything, but for the most part, it's fucking boring being all there all day. And then also take it out to car meets and shit like that. I don't know. But for now, we just gotta take this thing out and rebuild it. So right now, I'm gonna end this video right now, but I am gonna still work on this, on taking all this apart, taking anything else I can see, harness, everything, because it's pretty quick to get out of here, by the looks of it. I just know, take all this out, anything from the front, and then transmission, and then I got cables and the wiring harness, and then the coolant and all that stuff, and then it should come out pretty easily after that. At least I'm assuming, by the looks of everything that I have done, it looks like it's pretty simple, but we'll see. So for now, you guys, that is the story with the S2000. That's where we stay at with it. Keeps you staying on the street, getting worked on. We'll never really be able to drive it, but one day we will. It's all a process. Motor has 130,000 miles. It's older motor. Before I got it, as you guys seen, the clutch was bad. Like, I had it for a week and that shit went out. So I'm assuming the previous two owners really fucking fucked with it, even probably before they traded it in or whatever. It's S2000, rear-wheel drive. What do you think they were doing, you know? So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.